Welcome to the OpenVINO channel. So, what is OpenVINO? Why do you need it? What's included? OpenVINO is a toolkit that you can use to develop and deploy vision-oriented solutions on Intel platforms, on the cloud or on the edge. OpenVINO stands for Open Visual Inferencing and Neural Network Optimization. The usages are really endless. Doesn't matter if you'd like to add visual understanding capabilities to a surveillance camera, to a retail store camera, in a factory, in a crossword to automate the smart city. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, the same tools will help you integrate artificial intelligence and video processing, and they are all here in OpenVINO toolkit. If you'd like to use a deep learning-based model for detection, classification, segmentation, and more, if you're looking to stream video efficiently, to perform image processing or computer vision, it's all here. It's available for Windows, Linux, and for many hardware platforms. If you'd like to get the best performance on Intel CPUs, integrated GPUs, or the latest VPUs by Movidius, or Intel FPGA, or if you'd like to use all of them together as a heterogeneous platform, we'll show you how to do that. OpenVINO is focused on deep learning inference, not training. We will talk about training deep learning models on Intel platforms in future videos, but the focus of OpenVINO is inference, meaning once you already have a model and it's converged, you're done with training, how do you actually use it for detection or classification? Our focus on these videos will be on the Intel distribution of OpenVINO. There's also an open source version, and it will be explained in videos 35 and 36. The OpenVINO toolkit includes the following components: the Deep Learning Deployment Toolkit, easy to use light inference solution, all you need in order to get a deep learning based pre-trained model and use it for inference. It supports execution on CPU, GPU, Movidius VPU, and optimized bitstream for FPGA. We're also supplying a large set of pre-trained state-of-the-art deep learning-based models. So if you do not have a model and you want to start right away, they are great, they are free, use them. We'll demonstrate them in coming videos. For traditional computer vision, you can find in the package the latest and most optimized OpenCV, Intel runtime for OpenVX, and a photography vision library. If you need to accelerate encode, decode, or image processing, Intel Media SDK is also part of the package. And also all the required software stack for OpenCL execution and GPU programming. This is all in the package of OpenVINO. There are reasons why OpenVINO is so popular, and they will be very clear in the coming videos. It's simple and easy to use. It has everything you need for video analytics and more. It works on all Intel platforms seamlessly. You can code once and deploy on many different platforms, and it gives you the performance you need on the cloud, fog, and most importantly, on the edge. In the coming videos, we will review all the major features so you could start to use it right away. Subscribe to our channel and we'll send you a new video each time we have a new feature of OpenVINO. Thank you.